Good morning, ma'am. Today, me, Aditi, will be presenting the entity relationship diagram for a global research institution management system. This ER model presented on the screen has been designed to capture all the important entities, attributes, and relationships required to manage a large-scale research organization with efficiency. So now, let's go through it step by step. In the following ER diagram, we see the entities, namely as global institution, research projects, patent, publication, and grants, where we see many-to-many relationship among lab and projects, whereas there is one-to-many relationship for publication and patent, with institute and that of assistance with researcher. Lastly, we see one-to-one relationship between a researcher and its grants. Has, have tracked, track implies the relations among attributes and entities. Everything else in Eclipse in attributes to the entities of the relationship are here. Looking into the details of the diagram, firstly, we see a global institution and its division. At the center of our system is the Global Institution for Research. This institution is organized into multiple divisions, each division having attributes such that they possess a unique name, primary location, and a division head who is an employee of the institution. Hence, this setup ensures that organizational hierarchy is being represented. Thirdly, researchers. Now, moving on to researchers, researchers here have attributes including ID number, name, address, salary, and specialized area of expertise. A researcher belongs to a primary division and can collaborate with multiple labs simultaneously. Along with the primary supervisor responsible for overseeing their work, we can also track the number of hours per week a researcher spends in each lab. This helps in managing workload evenly and sharing accountability. Fourthly, research projects. The input labs here run multiple research projects and which are being identified by a unique project ID and a project name. Every project is linked to a designated lab and has a project leader who is also a researcher. One important aspect here is that projects can span multiple labs, making collaboration across divisions possible and feasible. Fifth one here is publication and patents. The institution tracks both publication and patents that come out of these research projects. As publication includes attributes such as title, journal, information, and publication date, while a patent is identified by a unique patent ID along with its title and filing date. By connecting patents and publications to projects, we ensure that the system can monitor research outputs effectively. The sixth one is grants and funding. It is visible that the researchers may receive grants. Here, a grant consists of a grant title, funding amount, and the funding organization that provides it. Every grant is assigned to a lead researcher, but the funds may be used across multiple projects. This relationships allows us to track research financing accurately. Seventh one, research assistants carry its attribute like its name, and they are assigned to both a project and lab. Eighth one, dependents. Finally, the system here includes the information on dependents of the researchers for their benefits and fulfilling purposes. This adds up to being important for managing institutional benefits like health insurance and family support policies. Ninth one, key relationships recap, summarizing the key relationships provided, namely divisions managing labs running projects, projects producing publications and patents, researchers being linked to divisions, labs, projects and grants, grants coming from funding organizations, research assistants supporting projects and labs under supervision and dependents linked to researchers. Henceforth, this comprehensive ER diagram ensures that the database can manage organizational structure, research activities, human resources, funding, and outputs in a well structured manner. Coming to our conclusion, this ER diagram provides a clear and logical structure for a global research institution management system. It does not only covers the hierarchy of divisions and labs, but also integrates researchers, assistants, project grants, patents, and publications and dependents into a single unified system. By occupying such a database, institution can better monitor research progress, manage resources, and evaluate outcomes accurately.